OKRs sound important, but most product managers struggle with one question. How do I can use in my product work? Let's break that down. Hi, I'm Kavita Baberwal, a product manager, and this is a PM Sync. Here I break down product thinking the way it actually works in real time. In the last video, we have defined a clear product strategy. We have chosen a target user. We identify core problems. We made trade-offs. If you haven't watched my video yet, I have added link in the description. Here's the gap OKRs meant to solve. Strategy is very high level to execute. Roadmap is too detailed and too early. OKRs sit in the middle. They translate product strategy into measurable outcomes for, for a specific time period. Step 1. Start from the strategic problem. OKRs don't start with the feature. They start with the strategic problem we already identified. In our cases, these problems were checkout friction, delivery uncertainty, and high dependency on the support. Step 2. Turn problem into the objective. Each strategic problem become an objective. Objective is a direction, not a solution. For example, objective 1 is improve checkout experience for repeated user. Objective 2 is increase trust in delivery timeline. Objective 3 is reduce dependency on the customer support. Have you seen? There is no feature. It is all our objective. Step 3. Define the key result. The key result answer the simple question. How we will know objective is working? These key results should be measurable. For example, for checkout, that could be high conversion, lower card abandonment, and shorter checkout time. If these metrics moves, then objective is successful. So here are the some fact about the key result. Key results are not the task. If you launched a feature, it's not a key result. But the impact this feature is going to create, it is. In addition, key results should be measurable. When we define OKRs in this way, things change. Discussion from the opinion move to the outcome. Prioritization become pretty easier. And here the interesting part. Once your OKRs are clear, the roadmap builds itself. In the next video, I'll show you how you can build roadmap from a clear OKR in a calm and the focused manner. So this is how product managers define OKR after strategy. OKRs don't measure activity, they measure success. Follow PM Sync for the more practical product thinking.